In this video, I'm going to discuss about the second type of transaction control language, which is rollback. So rollback basically helps you in undoing all the changes made during the current transaction since the last commit. Usually in a SQL, whatever changes you do is like a permanent changes, but you can make it temporary, and like if you feel like this changes should not be made permanent, you can just roll it back, you can undo it. That's where rollback plays a very important role. Whenever you suspect or doubt that okay, those changes would be removed later, what you people can do, you can start with a begin transaction and then do your changes and then try to roll it back so that whatever changes you did will not be permanent. It will be just temporary and it will get removed. Okay, so it just deletes the record, which is deleted record is basically restored, and table returns to a previous state. Let's say you have a table you are deleting, you accidentally delete it, and then you feel like you have to roll it back. So always remember when you are doing such changes, start with a begin so that your transaction will be active. If you don't want to save it, if you want to do that transaction, you can just roll it back. Okay, we'll see its example how it's going to work with the PostgreSQL. So I'm using same data set which I used in a commit video. Okay, so basically I have a student table, right? So let's make use of that. Yeah. So I have this table, select asterisk from students. Okay, so if I try to delete any record, it is going to be like a permanent delete, right? Let's say, for example, if I say delete from students, that name equals if I say Rahul. So if I run this, obviously it's going to delete a record and it's going to be permanent. Once deleted, you have to you cannot restore. You have to create it again. So, but I just want to delete it temporarily. Okay. Once I delete, after some time, I have to bring it back. So how do you do it? So in a case, you should always start with a begin statement. So when I say begin, your transaction begins. Okay. So started your transaction, then do whatever changes you want. I'm deleting. Great, now let me try to run select asterisk from students. Can you see the Rahul record got deleted? But it's not a temporary change. You can roll it back. You know how? Just say roll back. If you run this roll back, it says that query returned successfully. Now go back and just run your select asterisk from students. The deleted record got restored. Interesting, right? This is all about a rollback. I hope it's clear. You can do whatever changes, but make sure you start with the begin, then do the changes. Okay, let me show one more. I'll delete both the records. Okay, delete from students where name equals Amit. Okay, first I'm starting with begin. Then I'll say delete from Rahul. Then I'll say delete record related to Amit. If I show you the select asterisk from students, both the records got deleted. Since my transaction is active, I can roll it back. So now go back and check select asterisk from students. Whatever we deleted, we were able to restore it. This was all about a rollback. So be careful about a rollback and a commit in a SQL. Hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.